Hey stranger, check it out. They got it all fenced up now. This whole back area, starting from here, then turning on that side straight down. So I can't go this way. They're gonna start knocking down, I think it was the 18th of February. So we're gonna walk around here. I'm gonna show you the other part of the fencing. As you can see, they ain't put any extra fencing on this side here. They're just using the regular, not bush fencing. So it goes all the way up here, and then it's going to turn into country club. I got a bunch of things in my hand right now, so yeah, bear with me. Goes all the way up here. You know, remember this area I showed you? It is a spot where you can go in and out, but